So hi guys, this is me Kirti Sharma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is all about my study space makeover. So as you can see that I am making some of the motivational sticker which I have to put on my study space to make it more beautiful. As I have mentioned in the thumbnail that this video is going to all about budget friendly study space makeover. So guys, this is the condition of my study space right now, and I am going to make it very beautiful from this to this. So guys, I have removed all the things from here and we are going to make this wall a Pinterest inspired wall. So without any further delay, let's do it. मैं अब दिखाने वाली हूँ मेरा स्टडी स्पेस अब कैसा दिख रहा है। चलो देखते हैं। So guys, this is the look of my study space now with the all lights on. Can you believe it guys? It is looking so beautiful. I am liking it so much. And if you are also liking it, then please drop your precious comment in my comment box. I'll see it. I'll definitely see it.